mention that she's home all day long with 2 other dogs and a human being. She's not left alone at all. She just misses me. The most pathetic dog in the world. Good girl. I missed you. Oh, thank you. I missed you. I missed you. Thank you, sweetheart. I missed you too. Alright. You can cut it off now. Or not.